What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here. I do have a bit of a cold I'm getting over, so if my voice sounds a little bit off, I apologize. In today's video, I'm making these beautiful baked lemon pepper wings. They're very easy to make with just a few seasonings you probably already have. You can even substitute with regular chicken pieces like chicken breast, chicken thighs, legs instead of these wings. So this recipe is pretty versatile. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button to show your support and also subscribe to my channel before we start. And now let's get cooking. So guys, let's start with the marination first, and I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, and I have the drum pieces as you can see here, and also some of those wingettes. And for the seasoning, I'm going to start with a little parsley. I just like to add a little herbs to this. So about a teaspoon of dried parsley, some garlic powder. I guess I used about 1.5 teaspoons, a little black pepper. And I'm only going to add a little bit of black pepper because my lemon pepper seasoning also has black pepper in it. I'm going to add some adobo. This is optional, you don't have to add it, but I just like to add it as like an all-purpose seasoning. And this already has salt in it too, so when I put salt in this, I'm going to be watching how much I put. And this is my onion powder, and I'm only going to add about a teaspoon or so. I'm eyeballing everything, guys. Then I have my lemon pepper seasoning. This already has salt in it, some garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and dried lemon zest. So add as much as you need. I'm going to add about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. And then just a little bit of salt. I'm not going to add too much because my adobo seasoning, the all-purpose seasoning, and my lemon pepper seasoning already has salt. And then I'm just going to add a little drizzle of olive oil just so that I can mix everything really well. And you do want to pat your chicken wings dry completely with paper towel after you're done washing them. And then you're just going to mix all of this up. So this is a very easy recipe. You saw there's not that many seasonings in there, but the seasonings that we are adding in here are just really great for these chicken wings. And they're going to be super flavorful and just very easy to make. And obviously, guys, you can adjust all of your seasonings to your liking rather than using the exact amounts that I am showing you here today. So just mix everything up really well. And I did remove a little bit of excess skin from my chicken wings today, but of course, as you can see, I did leave most of it on. Just a little extra pieces hanging that I did not want. This is my marinated chicken wings. Look how beautifully seasoned they are. And now I'm just going to cover this and marinate it for about 2 hours. So I'm just going to preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And while my oven is preheating, I've already lined my baking tray with some aluminum foil here, as you can see. And I'm going to put like a baker's rack on here. You don't have to add the baker's rack on top, but I just feel like it helps to circulate the hot air all throughout from the bottom and from the top if you put this on, but it's really optional. You can just use the lined baking tray and that's it. So guys, my chicken has been marinating for a good 2 hours now. You can see it looks really well seasoned, and I'm just going to place the skin side down on the baking rack, and you just want to distribute these out evenly. And I am going to bake these in the oven for about an hour, and halfway in between I'm going to turn these over, so they're going to cook for 30 minutes on one side and 30 minutes on the other side. So let's put these in the oven. The oven is already preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, I'm going to take these out of the oven to flip them over. So now that these are all flipped over, I'm going to put these back in the oven for another 30 minutes until they are fully cooked and fully brown on the outside. So guys, you can see the transformation of these after another 30 minutes. So these bad boys cooked for exactly an hour, 30 minutes on one side, then I flipped them over, and then 30 minutes on the other side. Everybody's oven is a little different, so when you're making these, just make sure that they look like this when they are done. Nice and beautiful golden brown on the outside. You can see the seasonings on there still. These look absolutely incredible. So I made my own honey mustard using equal parts honey and equal parts Dijon mustard. Mix it all up, and this will go great with these lemon pepper wings. So here are my crispy baked lemon pepper wings. They are a healthy alternative to regular fried chicken wings. You can even fry these up if you like with some seasoned flour dredge on them, or you can air fry them if you like. So many ways to cook these bad boys, but only one way to enjoy them, which is if you try this recipe out. The ingredients list is also in the description box for your convenience, so do make these lemon pepper wings and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Also let me know, are you more of a chicken drums person like me, or do you prefer the wingettes? Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care until then.